Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make canned greens, a fantastic way to preserve your harvest. First, select fresh, tender greens such as collards, kale, or turnip greens. It is crucial to wash them thoroughly to remove all dirt and debris. Next, remove any tough stems and chop your greens into manageable 1 to 2 inch pieces, preparing them for the next step in the canning process. Now, let's move on to blanching and packing. Blanch your prepared greens in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, just until they are wilted. This step helps them fit better into the jars. Immediately after blanching, pack the hot greens loosely into hot pint or quart jars. Remember to leave 1 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. This is vital for proper sealing and safety. The next step involves adding liquid and sealing your jars. Carefully add fresh boiling water or broth to cover the greens in each jar. Again, ensure that 1 inch of headspace remains after adding the liquid. This is a critical measurement. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then apply the lids and screw bands finger tight, preparing them for the pressure canner. For the final and most important step, pressure canning your greens. Process pint jars for 70 minutes and quart jars for 90 minutes. If you are using a weighted gauge canner, maintain 10 pounds of pressure for altitudes below 1,000 feet. Always remember to adjust the pressure for higher altitudes according to your specific canning guidelines to ensure food safety and proper preservation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.